This is the Shark Auto Empty Cordless Vacuum. It charges itself, empties the dustbin automatically, and adjusts power as you clean. Today, we'll test the features, performance, and see if it actually delivers. Let's get started. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Shark Auto Empty Cordless Vacuum. 1.3 liters AED. Pet power brush and crevice tool. Smart features? Forget trips to the bin every time you vacuum. After every clean, this auto empty vacuum automatically deposits dirt and debris into a completely sealed base unit, so you can forget about emptying for up to 30 days. Inside the base, Anti-Allergen Complete Seal captures and traps up to 99.9% of dust, allergens, and irritants, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Perfect for homes with pets and anyone with allergies. Charging while stored on the dock, your cordless vacuum is always charged, always empty, and always ready for the next clean. This 30% lighter vacuum delivers powerful cleaning throughout your home, with a detachable handheld vacuum and a self-cleaning brush roll that auto-adjusts to deep clean all floor types. Specifications. How to use. To get started, unbox all units and place the nozzle and other parts on a flat surface. To assemble the vacuum, connect the wand to the nozzle by inserting the shorter gray end of the wand into the nozzle. Then attach the hand vacuum to the wand. Remove the sticker from the hand vacuum's digital screen. How to charge. To assemble the auto empty dock, make sure the dock is facing upright, then slide the charging post into the slot on the front of the dock until it clicks into place. Place the vacuum on the dock and plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Place the vacuum onto the dock with a downward motion. The battery indicator pulses white while charging and turns solid when fully charged. Power on using the button below the LED screen, which shows battery level and mode. Use the mode button to switch between Eco, Auto, and Boost. Once the vacuum is properly docked, the auto evacuation process begins and lasts about 10 seconds. The auto empty system also features a quiet mode, allowing you to dock and charge the vacuum silently and empty it later. To resume auto emptying, simply press the quiet mode button. Maintenance. When the dustbin indicator light turns on, or you notice a drop in suction performance, the dock dustbin is full and needs to be emptied. To empty the auto empty dock dustbin, lift the bin straight off the dock using the handle, hold it over a trash can, and press the release button on the side so the bottom drops open and releases the debris. Detach the hand vacuum from the wand by pressing the hand vacuum release button. Once the hand vac is detached, you can manually empty the dust cup. Hold it over the trash at a 45-degree angle, then press the slide release button, and the dust cup lid will drop open, releasing debris. The vacuum has pre-motor foam filters and a post-motor HEPA filter that require regular cleaning. To clean the pre-motor filters, remove the dust cup, pull out the filter housing, remove the foam filters, rinse with water only, and air dry for 24 hours before reinstalling, starting with the thinner filter. To clean the dock filter, remove the filter door, rinse the filter with water only, air dry completely, then reinstall. Remove and rinse the dock exhaust foam filter the same way. Clean the detection sensors regularly with a dry cloth, as dirty sensors can reduce performance or cause errors. Available accessories: Want to grab the Shark Auto Empty Cordless Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark Cordless Vacuum with Auto Empty. See you in the next one.